Loaded the wrong cover? Or maybe you're branding your book with a fresh new design? Here's how to safely update your KDP cover without losing reviews, rankings, or your book description. Head to your KDP bookshelf, click the three dots next to your book, and choose Edit Paperback Content or Edit Hardcover Content. In the Content section, scroll to the book cover area and upload your new file. As long as you're using the same ISBN, your listing stays intact. Amazon simply replaces the cover and your reviews, rank, and metadata stay untouched. Bonus tip, always preview your book again before publishing, just to make sure the new cover fits perfectly. And if you're still designing your book cover, I will leave the link down below for you to check out. It helps me format everything faster and get the sizing right the first time. The tool I'm referring to is called BookBolt. It is an all-in-one platform for designing your covers and interiors, finding good keywords, and researching profitable niches. They even offer a 3-day free trial with no credit card needed, so you can test everything out first. The research tools are especially helpful. You can see what types of books are actually selling, get keyword ideas, and find underserved niches, which makes your book way more likely to stand out. And inside a BookBolt Studio, you will get drag and drop design tools, pre-made interiors, and tons of fonts and graphics. Everything is royalty free and made for publishing. And if you're planning to make puzzle books like word searches or mazes, this part is super underrated. You can literally generate puzzle pages in one click and customize everything. I've linked it down below so you can check it out. Honestly, BookBolt saves me hours of work, especially when I'm publishing books consistently. So if you're just getting started, it's definitely worth trying.